Okay, I need to confess something real quick. I think NEPA started respecting me after I got this. Because for 2 weeks, I've used the itel power tank. No noise, no generator smell, no fuel headache. And the craziest part, lights can go. I will just continue my life as if nothing happened. That moment shocked me small. This is the itel power tank all-in-one system. And no, this is not one of those hype reviews. I actually use this thing morning, night, NEPA wahala, everything. So today I'm going to tell you what exactly it feels like to live with one, what it can do, what it cannot do, very, very important though, and whether you should even bother about buying it. To start with, let me clear something. This is not a generator replacement. This is not just a power bank tool. It is a small inverter plus battery plus solar system all in one box. You're getting a 500 watt inverter, around 1000 watt-hour battery. It can charge with NEPA and also solar. And the best part, no installation stress. Just plug it and start using it. So let me tell you the exact moment I respected this thing. I was working normally, editing and normal day. NEPA did what they actually do best. Bagam, light gone. My laptop did not go off. Of course it won't, MacBook baby. But my Wi-Fi did not disconnect and my fan did not stop. I actually checked the switch because my brain won't believe what just happened. That smooth switch. That's when I knew that, okay, this thing is different. Now, let me talk about real life usage because specs does not matter if real life is different. So, what I actually used daily was fan, TV, lights, laptop, router, phone obviously. And this is where it shines, the normal Nigerian life. But if you want to upgrade a little bit, like you want to show yourself, you can actually connect this to your room setup and everything stays on. No stress, no switching plugs every time the pass play that they are off and on. You just stay on and connected. So that brings us to the battery life, which I know you're curious to know. Let me not lie to you. It all depends on how you use it. My experience with fan, lights, TV on, I got around 6 to 9 hours. Just lights and Wi-Fi only, it lasts overnight. Then for moderate use, it can last from evening to the next morning. But here's the thing, this device will humble you. You suddenly become very conscious of power usage. You start doing things like, let me off the light first. No, I don't need this fan right now, let me off it. And at that point, this thing doesn't just give you power, it changes your behavior. Because now, you start planning your usage, you prioritize the device and stop wasting electricity. And somehow, you feel more in control, right? Yeah. For charging, let's talk about it because this is Nigeria. But when the light comes, it charges fast. Around 3 to 4 hours, it charges full. But we all know, NEPA is not reliable. And some of us are using prepaid meter. Don't be scared, it doesn't take too much power when charging. But if you can add solar panel to it, it makes it a little bit more fun. You can charge it during the day and use it at night. No fuel buying, no stress, just chilling. But the best setup of it all is going hybrid, which is solar plus NEPA together. With this setup, I feel you're basically cheating the system because you're going to have constant light. See enjoyment. Right. But now, let me warn you properly because this is where most people get disappointed. It cannot power heavy appliances. Let me say it clearly. No fridge, no AC, no microwave, no electric kettle. If you try it, you are the problem. It says 500 watts limit, so respect it. This is not for everything in the house to stay on. This is survival power, not big boy lifestyle. At first, you feel it's too expensive for around 500,000 naira, but over time, when you stop buying fuel, when you stop paying for generator maintenance and have peace of mind from generator noise, that's when it starts to make sense. And if you fall under this category, this power tank right here will actually make your life easier. Students, number one, remote workers, Agba content creators, small business owners, and anyone who is tired of generator wahala. Get it and you will enjoy it. So after using this thing for 2 weeks, I won't say it will give you constant light, but it will give you something better. Control. Control over your device, control over your work, over your comfort. Even when NEPA is misbehaving during that they are off and on, you'll stay connected. So now, let me ask this question. If you have this in your house right now, what will be that first thing you plug into it? Fan, TV, Wi-Fi, or you rush to bring in an electric kettle and spoil everything? Drop your answers in the comment section. So that's my experience and opinion about the itel power tank all-in-one system. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section and share these videos to friends. Most importantly, subscribe to this channel because you still have more videos coming and we still have more videos here ready for you to watch. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, bye and bye.